we've learnt a lot about the style of car that it is and the way to coax it to make it go fast. It's obviously very fast in areas that are un-supercar-like, and the opposite. It's obviously slower in a straight line and with a lot more aero. So it's a much different device, different style of driving, different style of car, and it's much easier to drive. It flows nice. On old tyres, there's not much in it between us and the superstars. So we'll see what it's like.
We know the track very well, but all of a sudden, that's irrelevant because driving this GT3 car is so different. Brake markers aren't relevant. Anywhere you go, the corner speeds are so much faster that it's like starting again. So all that 25 years of racing a supercar, out of the hard drive, and all of a sudden you're starting off fresh again, which is good because it's a challenge. Because now it's all about handling and corner speed, and the braking is phenomenal. Like, we're braking nearly 80 metres later than we do in a supercar at some of these corners. Like, it's just insane. Every single part of the focus of this program is about the 12-hour. So we're putting a lot into it, and there's a lot of experience there. When you look at the experience between the three of us, and then we've got one of the best German pilots with Timo Glock, who's currently racing the DTM, super fast driver, ex-Formula 1 driver. We mix that in with it, as the ringing gun, well, it's looking good, and we are taking it very serious.
With the aero, you've got to push yourself more across the top of the mountain, and the braking of them, it's just unbelievable. You can't describe, you go past the 200 mark, 150, the car washes off 200 kilometres an hour in about 100 metres. It's just incredible. To start at 5 o'clock in the morning, 3 or 4 drivers in each car, and the field of potentially 55, 60 cars, we're going to have a couple hundred drivers up here. So, the pro drivers, the supercar drivers, the old gentleman drivers that shouldn't be here, the young blokes, it's going to be hard work.